2019 Can-Am Maverick X3 XDS. Should be pretty much the same across the board for these machines though. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. It just popped on. Put the machine in park. Then you've got, they say, around 5 seconds to do this. Turn the key to the on position. Don't start the car. On position. Hold the override switch, hit the brake, release override, hit the brake, hold the override, hit the brake, release the override, cut it down. So it's a total of 3 times. So here, we'll try it. And once you do that, you're going to let everything power down. I cut the key back off. Everything still stays powered up, I think, for 10 seconds or so, something like that. And then everything will power down. There, you just seen it shut down. Now when we turn our key back on, that should have everything cleared for us. There you go. It's cleared up. So machine in park. Then you've got 5 seconds. Key on, override brake, release override brake, override brake, shut everything down. Then let everything power down. Usually takes about 10 seconds. Once everything powers down, turn your key back on, your light should be reset. It's that simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Appreciate you guys. Till next time.